Even with a large house, space can often feel limited with our big family. Each of our 4 kids love having their own rooms, and we didn't want to have to give up that space for a dedicated guest room. But when family comes in town, especially my mom, I want her to feel right at home. That's why I turned to Create-A-Bed, and it's been the perfect fit. I designed our Create-A-Bed to integrate seamlessly with our existing room. The kids were able to keep their craft area, and my workspace stayed fully functional. I found the instructions extremely easy to follow. Everything was very detailed and laid out, making the installation in our home very straightforward. The bed's safety and durability gave me the peace of mind I needed, especially with 4 kids who like to test everything. The kids have turned their bed into their favorite spot for reading or snuggling together, and when it's folded away, the room feels just as open as it did before. If you're looking for a guest bed solution that's easy to install, blends beautifully into your space, and ensures safety and durability, Create-A-Bed is the way to go. It's made our home more welcoming without compromising what we love about our space. When I first decided to build a Create-A-Bed Murphy bed, I was a little nervous. I wasn't sure that I could tackle such a big project without a ton of woodworking experience. But the moment I opened the Create-A-Bed kit, my worries melted away. The detailed instructions guided me step by step, making the process extremely straightforward. Everything from cutting the wood, to assembling the frame, to installing it in my home. Of course, I made a mistake along the way. It was completely user error. I was worried it would derail the whole project, but I called Create-A-Bed customer service, and within seconds I was talking to a real human. He walked me through the solution step by step, and within minutes I was back on track. I couldn't believe how great the customer service was. By the time I stood back and looked at the completed bed, I couldn't believe it. I had built something not just functional, but truly beautiful. It's more than a Murphy bed. It's a statement piece in my own home. Everyone compliments me on it. Thanks to Create-A-Bed, I proved to myself that I could create something amazing with my own 2 hands. I can't wait to see what else I can create from here.